Okay, now let's discuss the architecture development method. What's the architecture development method? Okay. Imagine you are building city from scratch. You can't just start constructing buildings randomly. You need a step-by-step process, right? Why? To ensure that road, utilities, buildings are planned very well. So TOGAF architecture development method, ADM, works the same way. Provide a structured approach to designing and managing a business architecture. So what does ADM do? It's provide tested, repeatable process, meaning it has been proven to work and can be used again and again to develop architecture. So a city doesn't reinvent how to build roads or houses every time. It follows a proven approach. Similarly, businesses or organizations use ADM because it's provide repeatable and reliable process for designing their system. So what's included in ADM? Okay, ADM consists of 4 main steps. Building framework, creating architecture contents, transition, governance. So, building framework, setting up the foundation or structure for the architecture. Like ADM start by setting up the foundation for the architecture, just like a city setting up infrastructure plans. Okay. Second, creating architecture contents, like developing the actual plans and designs for the system and the processes. So think of this as like designing building blueprints and roadmaps for the city. In TOGAF, this means design the actual system and processes that business will use. Third step, transition, like moving from the current setup or current state to the new architecture. So moving from, for example, old city infrastructure to new development, just like a business making upgrade from old IT system to a new one. The fourth step, governance, like ensuring the architecture is implemented correctly and follows the rules. So just as a city inspectors check if the buildings follow safety code. So TOGAF ensures that business architectures follow the proper rules and regulations. How does ADM works? ADM is done in iterative cycle, as we mentioned before. So which means the process is repeated multiple times to make improvements as needed. Okay, so business don't build everything at once. They improve their architecture over time. Without ADM, city could have disorganized neighborhood, missing roads, outdated systems. So just like business would struggle without structured architecture plan. So why is this important? ADM helps organizations transform their system in a structured, well-planned way, making sure the changes align with their goals and reduce the risks.